Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have JBL Live Beam 3 wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you're trying to connect them to your iPhone, to your Android, to your Samsung, to any kind of Bluetooth device you're trying to pair them, either for the first time or trying to pair a new device. So this is really simple to do. All we need to do is basically once these are charged up and everything, if you just open the case with the earbuds in them, they will automatically turn on and go into pairing mode, and you will see the blue blinking lights on the earbuds. From there, we're just going to go over to our phone and select these JBL Live Beam 3s from the list of available devices. This blinking blue will then become solid blue when they pair. We can go ahead and take them out, put them in our ears, and start to use them. Now, if we put them back in, we close the case, it turns off. Now, when we take them out again, we don't have to do that again. It will automatically pair with our device. If we want to change devices now, what we need to do is put them back in the case, close the case, and then go to the device we had them paired with in the past and turn the Bluetooth off. Because if we don't, it will automatically pair to those. And then we can do the same thing again, open them up, these lights will start blinking blue again, and because that other device is not available, now we'll be able to pair them with the new device, and then from going forward, they will now automatically pair with that new device. So hopefully that gets everything working and gets it paired. If it's still stuck paired to the wrong thing or something like that, and you want to just manually start over, I suggest you do a factory reset. I'll put a link in the description to how to do the factory reset on these headphones. But anyways, let me know if this worked for you, and if it did, if you could leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks a lot for watching.